Hi students, today we are going to do the poem A Photograph, which is written by Shirley Tolson. The poem A Photograph shows how time takes its toll on life. We try to capture the moments from life which remains as pictures in our mind. Some remains faint and some quite clear. बेटा ये जो अ फोटोग्राफ पोइम है ये हमें बताता है कि कैसे ज़िंदगी के अंदर फ़ोटोग्राफ एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है और समय टेक्स इट्स टोल ऑन लाइफ. इट मीन्स हर किसी को इस दुनिया से समय के साथ इस दुनिया को छोड़कर जाना ही पड़ता है और फोटोग्राफी एक ऐसा मीडियम है जो हमें हमारी और हमारे अपनों की पुरानी यादें याद दिलाता है. कुछ फ़ोटोग्राफ्स हमारे चेहरे पर स्माइल लाती हैं और कुछ फ़ोटोग्राफ्स हमारी आँखों में आंसू भर देते हैं. If I say that a photograph is symbolic of pleasurable moments in life, which leave an indelible imprint on our mind and past memories of our dear ones make us feel aggrieved. यानी कि जो फोटोग्राफ है वो हमें ना केवल हमारे खुशी से भरे हुए मोमेंट्स की याद दिलाते हैं बल्कि अपनों की जो इस दुनिया में आज नहीं है उनकी याद दिलाकर हमारी आंखें भर देती है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अ फोटोग्राफ, वेरी सिंपल वन बट डिपिक्ट्स द रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands. Shirley Tolson, she is telling us that the cardboard means the photograph. Why the word cardboard is used for the photograph? Because in old times, in the old days, the photograph is pasted on the cardboard, so that is why it is called the cardboard. The cardboard shows me how it was. The poet says, when I see the photograph, it tells me how the time was. When the two girl cousins went paddling, जब दो गर्ल कज़न्स यानी ममा की जो दो गर्ल कज़न्स थी वो ममा के साथ पानी के अंदर पैडलिंग कर रही थी. Each one holding one of my mother hands and both of them were holding mother hands. दोनों ने ममा के हाथ पकड़े हुए थे. She the big girl, the mother was the bigger one out of 3. Some 12 years or so, शायद 12 साल या उसके आसपास रही होंगी. All three stood still, तीनों still खड़ी हैं. Or to smile because they are making pose to be photographed. यानी कि मुस्कुरा रही हैं और बिल्कुल still खड़ी हैं. Threw their hair at the uncle with the camera. और on the other side, uncle was clicking the photograph through the camera. A sweet face my mother's that was before I was born. वो सुंदर सा चेहरा मेरी माँ का और वो कब का है जब मैं पैदा भी नहीं हुई थी. एंड द सी और उसी फोटोग्राफ के अंदर देखिए देयर आर द पिक्चर ऑफ 3 persons. वन इज मदर, 2 गर्ल कजन्स एंड द सी इज ऑल्सो इन द picture. And the sea which appears to have changeless, यानी कि समय के साथ सब बदल गया है लेकिन समुद्र जो बहुत कम बदला है. washed their terribly transient feet. washed their terribly transient, there means the 3 ones, and terribly transient means that is very short lived. और जो पानी है फोटोग्राफ के अंदर दिखाई दे रहा है समुद्र का वो उन पाँवों को छू रहा है जो उन तीनों गर्ल कजन्स के हैं. एंड दीज फीट आर टेरिबली ट्रांजिटरी. इट मीन्स अ डे विल कम व्हेन दीज फीट विल बी गॉन फ्रॉम दिस वर्ल्ड. यानी कि ये वो पाँव हैं जो अपनी छाप छोड़कर इस दुनिया से चले जाएंगे. So in the very first paragraph, I hope you get clear, because you should know each and everything, each and every line. Whose sweet face is referred to? Mother's. Who are the all three? Mother and the two girl cousins. What is the meaning of transit? Short-lived. And what is the poetic device? Terribly transient. Yes, it is alliteration, but at the same time it is transfer epithet. Now move to the next paragraph. Some 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot. In the first paragraph we read that there is the photograph. In the photograph, three girls were there and they were standing to be clicked, to be photographed. Some 20-30 years later, near about 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot. When mother would see this photograph snapshot, she would laugh. जब हम अपने बचपन की कोई तस्वीर देखते हैं तो हम मुस्कुरा देते हैं या फिर ज़ोर से हंसते हैं, तो मम्मा जो है वो भी उस पिक्चर को देखकर हंस रही है. See Betty and Dolly, she would say, and look how they dressed us for the beach. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter. Both ride with the labored ease of loss. और 20-30 सालों के बाद she would laugh at the snapshot. वो उस फोटोग्राफ को देखकर मुस्कुराएगी. क्या बोलेगी मम्मा? देखो बैटी और डॉली यानी कि कजन्स को देखो और उनकी ड्रेस देखो कितनी awkward है. And the sea, how they dressed us means how the parents had dressed them for the beach. And the sea holiday was her past. और ये छुट्टी का दिन जो उन्होंने समुद्र में के किनारे पर बिताया था, that was sea holiday, ये मम्मा का पास था, ये उनके बचपन की एक याद थी. Mine is her laughter. और मेरा क्या पास्ट है? मम्मा की वो मुस्कुराहट, वो हंसी. What does it mean? That mother is no more in this world. She has died. Both the mother and the poet ride with the labored ease of loss. What is the loss? The loss for mother is the childhood, and the loss for the poet is the loss of mother. यानी कि जो loss है वो बहुत बड़ा है, लेकिन they have to accept this because this is the truth of life. They had to work hard to accept this loss. Labored means मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, मुश्किल है. Ease, लेकिन फिर बड़ी आसानी से हम मान जाते हैं क्योंकि ये एक दुनिया का सच है. You know, when somebody died, it is very difficult to accept that we have lost that dearest one, but at the same time we accepted this truth that this is the truth of life. So both ride with the labored ease of loss. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived, and of this circumstance there is nothing to say at all. Its silence silences. Now she has been dead. Mama जो है उसे she has gone many years ago. It means she has died many years ago. और शायद उनकी डेथ हुए उतने ही साल हो गए जितने साल वो जिंदा रही. And of this circumstance, what this circumstance refers to? This circumstance refers to the death of mother. There is nothing to say at all. और इस circumstance के बारे में यानी मम्मा की डेथ के बारे में बोलने के लिए मेरे पास आज कुछ भी नहीं है. Because its silence silences. Because the silence of death makes everyone silent. What does it mean? Nobody has any say in front of death. यानी मौत के आगे किसी की नहीं चलती और उसकी साइलेंस जो है वो सभी को चुप करवा देती है. And when, if I say death strikes, we humans are expected to accept this loneliness, the vacuum it creates. यानी कि जब मौत आती है तो हम इंसान जो हैं उस अकेलेपन को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं और उस खालीपन को भी एक्सेप्ट करते हैं जो उस पर्सन के जाने से हमारी ज़िंदगी में आता है. Now the questions I hope you must have understood. Very simple one, and very and I think those who just read it to get it connected with this poem, they can better understand. I hope you understand what I want to say, कि अगर आप दिल से इसको पोइम को पढ़ेंगे अपने आपकी ज़िंदगी के अंदर जो रिलेशंस हैं मदर के साथ, फादर के साथ, तो आप बहुत अच्छे से इस पोइम को समझ सकते हैं. What does the word cardboard denote? I already told you that this is the photograph. Why it has been used? Because previously uh, the photograph is pasted on the piece of cardboard. That is why. What has the camera captured? The three girls, two girl cousins, and the mother. It was basically the sea holiday, the two cousins and the mother, when they had gone for a sea holiday. What has not changed over the year? The sea. And does this suggest something to say you? Yes, that it suggests that man is mortal, and man has to leave this world, and whereas nature is perennial and everlasting. The poet mother laughed at the snapshot. What did this laugh indicate? It indicates that the sight reminded her of the pleasures of her. It indicates the pleasures of her childhood days, कि बचपन में जो मोमेंट्स, प्लेजरेबल मोमेंट्स जो ममा ने स्पेंड किए. What is the meaning of both lie with the labors of loss? I already told you the loss is big, but as this is the reality of life, they have to it is not easy to accept, but still they accept it without being much troubled. What does this circumstance refers to? It refers to mother's death. 3 stanzas indicate. In the first, it indicates the childhood, the youth, and then the old age accompanied with in second you can say the youth and the old age, and in the last it is the death and the loneliness that